my channel, and this time we will be making this beautiful fast and easy basket. You will be needing this round thingy that you can see underneath. It's a wooden coaster, and the size is 4 inches. Okay, and of course you will be needing a stitch marker, a scissor of course. I used a small hook size, it's 3 mm hook size for the bottom, and then I changed into a bigger size, that's 4.5 mm hook size for the body. And then I use this glue. This is a all-purpose glue. You can use it for fabric, for metal, and everything. And of course I use this t-shirt yarn, but you can use any yarn that you want to do, anything that you are comfortable with. So there's no stress to it. So let's start. Okay, now all these holes that you can see, they are 18 holes. You are going to make 3 single crochet in each of the holes. Okay, insert your hook into the hole, chain 1, and then in that same stitch you're going to make 3 single crochet. You're going to do that all the way until you finish the 18 holes. 18 holes. Okay, now we've reached the last hole. All you have to do is to make your last 3 single crochets. There you go. See, and then after that you're going to do a single crochet into the first stitch. Insert your hook and then do a single crochet. And remember to change your hook into a bigger size. That will be 4.5 mm hook size. This will be the hook that you're going to use for the body until the end. Do the single crochet. After you've made your single crochet, you have to add the stitch marker. Guys, remember, you have to use the stitch marker. Mostly if you are a beginner, so you will not get lost. Napakahirap pag nawala ka, day. Mawala ka sa sarili mo, day. And then, now you're going to work only in the back loops, okay? So, insert your hook, pull up a yarn, and pull up 2 loops. And yan, that's is the back loops only single crochet. So you're gonna do it all the way until you reach the end of the line. Just joking. Just do the single crochet and then I'll see you later on. Okay, so we reach our last stitch here. Insert your hook into the last stitch and work on the back loops only. See, like that. And then after that, you're going to push the yarn out away from you. Yeah, like that. So it will curve. Huh? It will curve it. It will curve away from. You can see the tangle there. And yeah, you can do the tangle if you want. If you want a picture in it in the bottom or top, it's up to you. Inside or outside, it's up to you. Doesn't matter. Okay, so after that, you're going to do one more single crochet around the basket. Okay, you're going to do one single crochet in each of the stitches. So remove the stitch marker and then do your single crochets. Insert your hook into the first stitch and then add your stitch marker. Finish the single crochet and then I'll see you afterward. Okay, now we've reached the last stitch of the single crochet. There, you add your last single crochet over there. Now you're going to remove the stitch mark and then do your single crochet. Okay, now add your stitch marker. In this round we're going to do a spike stitch. Spike stitch means you are going to do a short single crochet and long single crochet. You're gonna do the long single crochet. So this is your single crochet, right? You are going to insert your hook over there into the second, as you can see there. This will be the long single crochet there, and then after that you're going to do the regular single crochet there, long single crochet and short single crochet or spike stitch. See, it's so easy. You're gonna do the regular single crochet and the special single crochet. I'm just joking. You're just gonna do the long single crochet and the short single crochet all the way around. Okay, now we've reached the last stitch. We're going to make the short single crochet there, and then you're gonna remove your stitch marker again, and now this time you're gonna do the long single crochet, like that, and then add your stitch marker. Yes, like that, and then you're gonna repeat the pattern all the way around. Okay, but this time you're gonna use the short single crochet first and then the long single crochet. You're gonna do it all the way around. Okay, you will just going to repeat the pattern until you reach 11 rounds. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 rounds. Okay, and then when you reach 11 rounds you have to stop and inhale and exhale. See, just like that. I'll see you later on until you reach your 11th round. Okay, now we've reached the last stitch and we are going to do your single crochet. And of course, if you want to make it longer or shorter, it's all up to you, okay? As long as you have yarn. Charot lang. Okay, and now you're going to remove the stitch marker because you're going to do your last round. It will be your single crochet. Okay, gonna make single crochet all the way until you reach the end, just like this in the basket. Okay, so remove your stitch marker and start working in your last round. Make single crochet all the way around. I'll see you later on. Okay, now we've reached your last single crochet, and then remove your stitch marker and do your last slip stitch, and then cut the yarn and fasten off. Okay, let's do fast forward so all of us will not sleep. So this basket is already done, but if you want to put any designs that you wanted to, any harakat or any, girly thingy, you can put any flower or butterflies or whatever you have, whatever supplies you have there. And yeah, like that. Or you can even crochet a flower and then stick it there. It's up to you. Create your own design. For me, I have this black and red. I use this one in some of my dolls, but since it's plain, so I wanted to add some design. So yeah, why not, right? So I used a glue and then stick it on. Yeah, just like that. It's really fast. So there's no stress making this project. You can give it as a gift, or of course you can sell it and make money out of it. It's really nice, actually. This will be a gift to a friend in Manfia. And then I put some beads for, from added, make a little girly thingy. Just like that. Just create, design whatever your heart is telling to, whatever your heart wants to. So just follow. Right. Okay. And thank you so much for keeping me company. And we are done. And hope that you've learned something. I hope that you like my video as much as I do. I have no choice. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you again soon. Mwah, mwah. Much love from me.